呀，这个是那个 unicorn 的，I think 已经是 live 的。Yep. Hello guys. We'll be opening the box break for the Star Wars Chrome's Perspective. This is our first time doing a box break for Star Wars. Thanks for joining our box break. So let's begin. Okay. Oh, first time opening this box. Let's see what does it looks like inside. Okay, just opening here. Oh, the packs look very nice. Okay, so we're going to shuffle the packs. Then after that, we'll just follow the sequence based on the list we just posted in the WhatsApp group. So the first one will be Dawn. Second will be Aloysius. Third will be Kelvin. Fourth and fifth will be Kaiser in sequence. Then the last will be Dexter. Okay, let's do some shufflings. Okay, let's hope we get a nice autograph. Hopefully Carrie Fisher or... Okay, gonna shuffle the last time. And let's do it. Okay, so the first one is Dawn. So let's open the first 3 packs. Okay. Let's use the scissors. Oh, luckily no miscut. Okay, the second one. Okay, and the last one. Okay. Come, let's see what we got here. This is the first pack. Oh! Is this Zabok? I forgot his name. Oh, it's the Hodo. Hodo. The Vice Admiral Hodo. Come, let's carry on the next one. Hey, it's the R2D2. R2D2. Hey, see? R2D2. Oh, who is this guy? Kennedy. Captain Kennedy. Hey, oh, Chobu. Konix. Wow, sweet this one. Chobu. Oh, we got some Chewbacca. Life of Adventure. Resistant. Choose your allegiance. Oh, the last one we have a Snow Trooper from the First Order. Snow Trooper, you see? Quite nice, refractor one. Okay. So let's move on to the second pack. Wow, GG this one. You see the face, you know already. But this one good character inside. Kanata. Okay. Hey, we have one of the main character, the Finn. Oh, another Snow Trooper. Now you have 2 Snow Trooper. Oh, Seed Trooper. Red color one. Hey, this one quite chill. What is this? The First Order invades Jakku. Wow, it's the Kylo Ren bullying an old man. Oh, the last one. Oh, another Hodo. You have 2 Snow Trooper, 2 Hodo. Let's hope your third pack got a better one, signature, right? Okay. Wow, this one is the Poe. And we have a Trugan. Hopefully never pronounced wrongly. Oh, we have a Caldo. Hey, oh, handsome man, Han Solo. Now have a Bravery, another Chewbacca, Han Solo and Finn. Oh, now you have a fighter pilot from the First Order. Eh, quite chill, the face got some different color one. Refractor. Alright. Okay, so these three, all the cards is for Dawn. Thanks for joining the box break. So the next one will be Aloysius. Let's see what you got. The Dawn. Okay, let's throw away this pack. Right, let's cut. Yeah, actually we also have the Avengers box. Hopefully we can do the break like tomorrow or Thursday. Okay, so now these 3 packs is for Aloysius. Thanks for joining and good luck. Let's see the first one. Wow, GG. This normally see this one, first one. Hopefully got better one already. Right? This one is Nian. I also don't know how to pronounce the name lah. Yeah. Let's go on to the next one. Captain Pive. Wow, Sedia position one. Congrats. Oh, this one cute. This one cute. BB8 ah. BB8. R2D2 brother. Round, you see, so cute. Foil one some more. Hey, say his brother come already. R2D2. Wow, now you have a BB8 and a R2D2. Yup, Don, your 3 packs open finish already. This one is the Search for Key from the First Order. Wow, you see the Ray face earn already. This one is the Beacon. Okay, this is the first pack. Let's hope we got a better one, second pack. Oh, looks nice, this one. Looks nice. Captain Phasma, this one. Wow, chill ah. Right, next one. Oh, Ray. Congrats, you have a Ray. Main character. Oh, Colonial Tato. Wow, the face sibei serious. Like next one, Babu Freak ah. Wow, cute eh. This one you see? So cute the face. Like next one, Hunting Traders from the First Order. Oh, the Finn poke the Stormtrooper. Not bad. The foiling. Oh, the last one. Another Colonial Tattoo. Eh, Nani? How come we got 2 tattoo in the same pack?
One base, one refractor.
Oh, you see? This one, the foiling got some rainbow one. So this is called Refractor.
Eye open big.
Oh, then this is normal, like silver color over here. This is called just normal base card lah.
See the refractor that open big.
Okay, this is pack 2, so let's move on to the last pack for Aloysius. Oh! Luke Skywalker! Wow! Congrats! Like next one, Snap Wexley. Okay, thank you for coming. Next. Oh, Nyabu again. Oh, the face you see. Big eyes. Add on one to your monster collection. Rostico. This one is the after 11/11 sales finish ready. Then you know the sales finish ready. The face, you know. Congrats. The Battle of Craig. Wow, not bad, not bad. This one, you see. Refractor foiling. You see the rainbow foil? Oh, a BB8 refractor foil. You see all the rainbow color over here. This one very cute, this one. Not bad, right? Looks like Nick Ong Wow. Bro, this one we have to censor. This one cannot. He's standing beside only. So okay, this is all for Aloysius. Congrats. You have some very nice card. You have a BB-8. You have the Skywalker. And also I think you have the Ray. Yeah, so wow, you have two BB-8 also.
That's good.
Oh yes, one Ray, one Skywalker, and two BB-8. May the force be with you, this one. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. The third one is Kelvin. Right, let's see what you have here. First pack, second pack, and the third pack. Okay, no miscut. Okay, first pack for Kelvin. Thanks for joining. Let's see what we have. Oh, the serious guys again. Captain Pive. Okay, let's see what we have behind. Oh, you see some very nice reflector behind. Wow, the sian face. Lando. It's the Lando. Lando. Like next one. Oh, is this a Stormtrooper? The normal Stormtrooper. Like next one. Oh, this one the background very different. It's like a mosaic. Oh, it's an autograph. 来要比一下呀，各位。Wow, what is this? Oh, I think it's a Skywalker leh. Oh no, not Skywalker, sorry. It's a Emerald Akbar. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that face. Look at that face. It's a Mambert 210/250. Wow, it's not bad, this one. Quite nice, right? The foiling, except the face. Yeah, but it's the only autograph card. Hopefully, Murali, wow, don't bro. This one also need to censor. This one cannot. Hey, wow, this one nice. This one nice. We have Through the Force on Kijimi. Kylo Ren versus Rey. Wow, very nice. The foiling you can see over here. Wow, very nice. Right, the last card. Oh, another Han Solo. But this one is the special one. This one is the gold frame one. Yeah, this is a Han Solo gold frame. Very nice. Congrats, Kelvin. You have a lot of the nice hit. You have the autograph. And this is only the second pack, right? Oh, this is the first pack only. So you have two more. Okay, like second pack. Oh, Stormtrooper. The first one. LOST. Oh, this is the first one we opened. Just now we haven't opened this before. Oh, Fighter Pilot. Just now we have opened this before. Kuruk. Wow. Another first kind we open. Oh, we have Carrie Fisher talking to the Skywalker card. Quite nice. Refractor one. It's not mumbled. Yeah, so this is a base card. Yeah, there's also some story behind right on the card one. Later when you collect the card, you can go and take a look. Oh, Kylo Ren. Congrats. Our first Kylo Ren. Okay, this is for pack 2. Wow, so far so good for Kelvin. Okay, this is the last pack for Kelvin. Snap Wexley. Okay. Oh, another one, this one. Max Kanata. Officer Gantia. Wow, not bad. Oh, there's a white color scratch card. Wow, Kelvin, lucky. Let's see what is it. Wow. Ayo, wow. Carrie Fisher scratch. Wow, first time see this also. Very nice. Let's see what is behind looks like. Oh, there's actually autograph by the artist not the Carrie Fisher though. Yeah, but it's still very nice. This is one of a kind one. Yeah, very nice. This one is drawn by Colin Arthur, if not wrong, based on the signature. Colin Arthurs. This one is signed on the card one though. This one is not signed on the sticker one, so it's actually very rare. But it's a very nice scratch. It's great for collection. Oh, the last card. No, last two cards. Overcoming the odds. And the last one, oh, a Ray. Wow, chill. This one. That's the face when you come back home too late after play MTG. Your wife looks at you. Jinghe, I know, just kidding, just kidding. Hey, censor, this one have to censor, this one censor. This one cannot anyhow, this one. Oh, thank you. Oh, congrats, Kelvin. Your pool is really awesome. Okay, so the 4th and 5th will be Kaiser, so I'll just straight away open the 6-pack from here. So, the most expensive card, I think is Carrie Fisher signature cards lah. Currently, and also the Luke Skywalker, the sign card also. Yeah, basically sign cards only have one in a box, so they are very very hard to get lah. After that is to aim those different colors border. Like you just now see the Han Solo, the gold frame, right? That one is special foiling. Then there's also some special like the 3 character signature cards. Also very rare lah. Yeah. Hey, never know lah. Maybe got mispack.
The Akbar is an on-card auto. It's an on-card auto.
Oh.
There's no sticker.
No sticker.
There is no
Oh,
sticker.
just now
It is
Nick
an
Ong
on-card
just found out for us that the Emerald Bar signature cards, right? The signature is on the card itself. So it's not signed on the sticker, then after that paste on the card. So this kind of signature style is actually very hard to find lah. Normally this sign on cards one is more rare. Yeah, congrats. Ding ding. Sweet. Okay, 2 more packs to cut. Okay, so this is the 6th pack for Kaiser. Like, first pack. Oh, monster. Oh, it's the Supreme Leader, Snooker. Our first one. Second, Major Vorax. Wow, that's the cartoon art one. Quite chill. Oh, got another Ray. Ding. Jana. Oh, this one also the first one that we opened. Oh, this is the Rey and Kylo Ren confront the Supreme Leader. Nice. And you know what happened next? Basically, they both kill the Supreme Leader after that. Very nice. Oh, you see the foil, the saber? Like real one. Right, the last one. Sith Trooper. Oh, just now we got open this. But this one is the rainbow foil. Okay, so this is for first pack. Let's move on to the second one. Oh, we have Ip Man. Oh, sorry, this one is Emerald Statura. Okay, we have Emerald Akbar. This one is the non-sign one. It's a base card. Basically, if you see the foiling is this kind of like a silver base. This is a normal base card. Then if you see those like a rainbow color, that one is called Refractor. It's a more rare kind of foiling. Oh, a solo Chewbacca. This is a base card. Kuruk. This is a Kuruk. Oh, different posture one. That's one we also opened one, but this one different, I think. Oh, Oh, Kaiser, good news. There's some special foiling back cuts behind. Let's see what is this. Oh, it's a fin cut. Invasion of Takodana. Watch your back, Finn. There's a stormtrooper behind. Like, this one is the special foiling. Emerald Grease. I know you're very sian, Kaiser. But it's still a very nice foil. You see, it's a mosaic design actually. Maybe worth more than that lah. It's still a special foiling, so maybe more than $10. But we can check for you later. But still a very nice foil. Okay, like third pack. Let's see Oh, Lao Chiu. Emerald DAC.
Wow, Lao Chiu.
Lao Chiu. Like the next one. Wow, another more Lao Chiu. General Lia. Yeah. Nice, Oh, Finn in his stormtrooper suit. Nice foil. AP Lake. Oh, not sure what is this. Oh, wow. Guys, look at this. Ray foil. The Forest Duel. Oh, you see the lightsaber? The foiling very nice. Okay. Oh, lizard. We have Katsai. Chuan Ali. Okay, so that's for the 3 packs for Kaiser. Let's move on to the next 3 pack for Kaiser also. Oh, this is our first card, Sith Trooper. So we opened this a few times just now. We have Usha. Wow, fierce this one. Give chance, please. Oh, this one you see the face. This is the face when you open a Force of Will Expedition. Lando. Yes. Oh, this one is a FN2199. Another Stormtrooper. Oh, what is this? Rey meets Finn. Wow. Hey, that one is the refractor foil. Very nice. Great for collection. Yeah, this is and hey, Kaiser, good news. Another special foil behind. Let's hope something good. Oh, you can see already. It's a BB-8. This is a mosaic foil BB-8. Very cute. Can give your children. Very nice. You see the foiling? Wow. Okay, like this the first pack of the 3. 7 month burn don't burn Give us. Like, wow. Another Supreme Leader. Kaiser, your side is very Supreme Leader side Like next one. Oh, the face you see. Lizard. Emerald Grease, another one. This one is open the Fatal Push topper foil kind of face. Oh, this is a AP leg. Quite chill. Oh, another Supreme Leader, Kylo Ren. Wow, Kaiser, your one really a lot of Supreme Leader dark side one Choose your allegiance. Wow, then you see his stress face. Like last card. Wow, Kuruk refractor foil. Just now we got open one, but it's a normal base card. This one is the refractor foil. Okay, like Kaiser, last pack for your spots. Oh, who is this? Oh, Kylo Ren. This one without the helmet one. Wow, chill The foiling. Wow, another Praetorian Guards. Wow, a lot of first order cards Kaiser. Really all dark side one. Emerald DAC. Jana. Oh, what is this? Ray travels to AHCH10. Is this the part where she went to find Skywalker, right? Then after that, the Skywalker throw the saber away. Like last one. Oh, Jana Refractor Foil. Never mind, it's all about memories, Kaiser. No money, never mind. Okay, thanks Kaiser. These are all the cards you get for the 2 spots. The next one will be Dexter. Like Dexter, this is your 3 packs. Thanks for joining the breaks. Oh, come on. Ding. This one give Murali. 11-11 present for Murali. Okay, like this is the first pack, Dexter. Let's see what you got. Oh, hey, this one is the first kind we open. Oh, this one is the very cute robot in the movie, the D.O. Oh, Dexter, good news. There's a special foiling behind. Emerald Grease. Oh, a BB-8. This cute. Oh, a Beacon. Oh, nice. We have the second Sith Wayfinder is found. Wow, very nice card. It's great for collection. Right, the last one. Wow, what's with the monster this time round? It's a CI mosaic foiling. Okay, let's hope the second pack and third pack is better. Oh, nice. We have a Han Solo, the base card. Next we have, oh, this one very cute, Babu Frick. You see the face? It's looking at you. Usha. Oh, this one is the first one, I think. Oh, a fighter pilot. Hey, this is the first one we open. It's a teamwork. It's a Chewbacca and BB-8 cards. Very nice. Rainbow foil. Oh, last card we have a rainbow foil also. It's a Snow Trooper. Snow Trooper. Okay, this is all for pack 2. Now we are moving on to the last pack, pack 3. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a Truden, a base card. Oh, we have a First Order Heavy Gunner. Oh, Colonial Dato has visited us again. Look at the face. First Order Snow Trooper. Just now we opened this before. Oh, what's this? Battering Ram Cannon. Oh, this is the one they use this to go and destroy the gate of the shelter one, I think. If not wrong. Oh, this is the last card. Rainbow Foil Praetorian Guards. Oh, nice foil. That's all for the 3 packs for Dexter. Thanks for joining the breaks. And yeah, that's it guys. This is all we have for box 1 box break for Star Wars Topps Chrome. We still have one more box, so maybe I will post again the spots list later, see if you guys are interested to take the slot. So now you have seen how the cards looks like. So if you like, then you can even take multiple spots, is also fine. Yeah. So first come first serve. And thanks everyone for joining. Also, I will be releasing the spots for the Avenger box break also. So if you guys are interested, later I'll post the pricing as well. Okay, thanks guys. See you soon.